Hi dear students, welcome to Gravity Tuition Center, Tirupati. Today, let us solve some problems from the class 10, chapter 7 of coordinate geometry. See here, in the first exercise, what we are going to do is, we are going to use distance formula. Distance means, suppose we have 2 points. We have 2 points, A and B, and whose coordinates are given as x1, y1, x2, y2. The coordinates are given. We want to find the distance between these 2 points. If I want to find the distance between these 2 points, then what is the formula I am going to use? Distance between the 2 points, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square under root of whole square. Okay, this is the formula that's what we are going to use. Okay, let us go to the problem. See here, find the distance between the following pair of points. Here, see, we are given with 2 points and we need to find the distance. The distance formula is this one. So let us give the names for these coordinates as x1, y1, x2, y2. Now, what is the distance formula we are going to use? We are going to use x2 minus x1, right? So, AB, distance between the points is AB is equals to x2 minus x1. x2 is 4 minus x1 is 2 whole square. See, this is the formula we are going to use. x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 is 1 minus y2 minus y1, right? 3 whole square. So, 4 minus 2 is how much? 2 square plus 1 minus 3 is minus 2 whole square. So, 2 2s are 4, minus 2 into minus 2 is also what? Minus 2 into minus 2. Minus into minus is plus, 2 into 2 is again 4. So, here you see, if I take 4 as common, what is left here? 1 plus 1. So, this is under root 4 into 1 plus 1 is 2. So, this can also be written as root 4 into root 2. Root of 4 is how much? 2, but root 2 is root 2 itself. Understand? So, when something is repeated, what we can do is, we can actually directly write this as 4 times 2. Repeated addition is what? Multiplication, right? 4 plus 4 is 4 times 2. Okay, this is what we get the distance here between A and B, because these things will repeat. So I'm telling you this. Okay, let us do the next problem. This is AB. We can write, if no distance centimeter meters is given, we will just put distance in units. The next question, see here, whenever the points are given A, B, just first thing what we will do, x1, y1, we will name that coordinates x2, y2. So, again, we use the distance formula for finding the distance between these 2 points. AB is equals to x2 minus x1, right? Under root x2 is minus 1 minus x1 is how much? Minus 5 whole square plus y2 minus y1. y2 minus y1 is how much? 3 minus 7 whole square. So, here you see, this minus of minus becomes plus. Okay. Now, see here, minus 1 plus 5. Whenever we are given like this, see, minus and plus, two opposite signs. So, we have to do subtraction. So, bigger number 5 minus 1 is 4 and the sign for the bigger number is plus. So, we have to put plus here. So, this becomes 4 plus 4 or 4 plus 7 minus 3 minus 7, right? So, 3 minus 7. So, this is nothing is given means plus. Again, this is also subtraction. One is plus, one is minus. So, bigger number minus smaller number. 7 minus 3 is 4. And what is the bigger number sign? Minus. So, this becomes minus 4 whole square. So here 4 fours are 16 plus this one is also how much? Minus 4 into minus 4 is also again 16. So 16 plus 16 I can write as 16 into 2. Okay, root 16 root 2. Root 16 is nothing but 4. 4 into 4 is 16. This becomes root 2. 4 root 2 units. Understand? This is how we are going to do the problems. See here, the next thing is points are given. Let us name them x1, y1, x2, y2. What is the distance formula? x2 minus x1, right? So x2 is how much? AB distance is equals to x2 is minus a minus x1 is a whole square plus y2 is minus b, y1 is minus b. Y2 minus y1 is b. So here minus a, same sign. We have same sign. What we will do? We will add them. Minus a is minus 2a whole square plus minus b is minus 2b whole square. So now see here minus 2a into minus 2a. Minus into minus plus 2 into 2, 4a into a square. This becomes 4a square plus minus 2b into minus 2b is again minus into minus plus 2 into 2, 4, b into b square. Similarly, same way. So here we have got 4. Let us take it out. And what is left over? A square here plus b square here. Okay. Now this can be written as root 4 into root of a square plus b square. Okay. Root 4 is 2 and this becomes a square plus b square. So this is the answer for this. So units. Understood? Now let us move to the next problem. Find the distance between points 0, 0 and 36, 15. So the same question can also be given this way. See, town B is located where 36 kilometer east. So some directions are given. Let us try to understand directions here. See here, this is east, east, west, north, south. So town B is located 36 kilometer east, east, 36 kilometer from in the direction of east, 36 kilometer in east, and 15 kilometer north, and 15 kilometer north, 15 kilometer towards the north of the town A. So the town, let us suppose the town to be at the intersection point origin 0, 0. So this is the point B where it is located. It is located 36 kilometer east and 15 kilometer north. So what is that? See here, x coordinate is 36, y coordinate how much? It is 15. So the same thing, right? The same thing. So the distance between these 2 points, AB, right? We can find it in 2 ways. One is from trigonometry, we can find this is hypotenuse, right? Hypotenuse square AB square is equals to, let us give this some name, C AC square plus BC square. Right. So I want AB, right? So AB, what I am going to do? I am taking square root of everything. AB square equal to root of AC square plus BC square. BC square. So here this cancels. AB is equals to, what is AC? This is 36, right? This distance is 36. So 36 whole square, 36 whole square plus This distance is 15 square. So 36 square is how much? Let us calculate 36. 36. See 6 are 36. 3 6 are 18 plus 3 6 are 18. 18 plus 18 is 36. 36 plus 3 again 39. So 9 I will put here. Okay, 3 is left again. 3 3 is a 9 plus 3, 1296. This is 1296 plus 15 15 is a 225. So 1296 plus 290, 225. This is value 112,151. So this becomes AB becomes how much? I will write here AB is equals to root of 1521. So root of 1521, if you want to do prime factorization, we can find 1521. So 3 5s are 3037. Okay, 3 1s are 3 6 are 18, right? See here, and 3 9s are. This 169 is 13 13s are. Okay, so this one can be written as root of 3 into 3 into 13 into 30. So this two 3's are there under root, so 1 will come out. Two 13's are there, 1 will come out. So 3 into 13 is 39 kilometer. This distance is how much? 39 kilometer. This is one way we can find. The other way what we can do is we can use the distance formula as we know the coordinates. A coordinate and B coordinate we know, right? So coordinate A, what is the coordinate A? 0, comma 0. And what is the coordinate B? It is 36, comma 15. Now let us give name x1, y1, x2, y2. So what is the distance formula? See here, under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So x2 is how much? 36 minus x1 is 0 whole square plus y2 is 15 minus y1 is 0. So 36, this is 36 minus 0 is 36 square plus 15 minus 0 is 15 square. So same thing right here, 36 square plus 15 square. So what you will get, 36 is 1296 plus 15 15s are 225. So if you add them up, what you will get? 15 21. And if you do the prime factorization for 15 21, what we will get? 3 into 3, 13 into 13. So out of 2 3's, 1 3 will come. Out of 2 13's, 1 13 will come from the square root. 13 3's are 39 kilometers. So the distance between the 2 points is how much? 39 kilometers. So the question can be asked in the either way. In terms of distance, direction, okay, he is asking in the second part. In the first part, he is giving directly the coordinates. Okay, either of the way we can solve the problem. Next, determine whether the points are collinear. So here, see, if I want to find the points, whether the points, given points are collinear or not. Collinear means what? See here, suppose this is a line. Here I have got suppose 3 points A, B, C. A, B, C. Suppose there are 3 points. Okay, collinear means they lie on the same straight line. Now see here, this distance AB plus this distance BC should be equal to what? AC. AB plus BC should be equal to AC. Should be equal to AC. So this is the condition. If this condition, this total distance is equals to AB plus BC, then the given line is said to be collinear. So let us see here. AB, we will find the distances AB, okay, AC and BC. Let us find these 3 distances and check. So AB, if I want to find the distance AB, what is A here? So, let me write here again A, B. If I want to find the distance, 1 comma 5 and 2 comma 3, x1 y1 x2 y2. Okay, now what is the distance formula for this? AB is equals to root of x2 minus x1, right, plus y2 minus y1 whole square. X2 is 2 minus 1 plus 3 minus 5, 3 minus 5 whole square. 2 minus 1 is 1 square plus 3 minus 5 is minus 2 whole square. Understand? So, this is what we are going to see here. 1 square is 1, minus 2 square, minus 2 into minus 2 is plus 4. So, root of 1 plus 4 is how much? Root 5. This is how much? Root 5 units. So, AB is how much? Root 5 units. Okay. Next, let us calculate BC. What we are going to do? BC. BC. What are the points? B is 2 comma 3 and C is how much? Minus 2 minus 11. So, here this is x1 y1 x2 y2. Again the same thing, we are going to find the distance. BC distance is equals to root of x2 minus x1, minus 2 minus 2, minus 2 minus 2 whole square plus y2 minus 11 minus y1 is 3. So, this is how much? Minus 2 minus 2 is minus 4 whole square plus minus 11 minus 3 is minus 14 whole square. Okay. Minus 4 whole square is minus 4 into minus 4, right? It is 16 plus 14 minus 14 into minus 14 is 196. So, this can be written as 16 plus 90 is 196. How much? 212. 200. So, let us do the prime factorization for 212. 2 1s are 0, 6 are 2, 53s are. So, this can be written as 2 into 2 into 53. So, out of 2 2's 1 2 will come, 53 is a prime number, it will be inside. Okay? And also it is alone. So, this is BC. BC is this much. Units, some units, right? Units. Units, UNITS, units. Next, what is the next thing? AB, BC and AC. Let us find AC. What is A? 1 comma 5. C is minus 2 minus 11. So, x1 y1 x2 y2. Now, if I want to find the AC, distance AC, same formula, distance formula is same. So, x2 minus x1, how much? Minus 2 minus 1 whole square plus y2 is minus 11 and minus 11 minus what is y1? 5, right? Whole square under root of. So, now minus 2 minus 1 is how much? Minus 3 whole square plus minus 11 minus 5 is minus 16 whole square. So, minus 3 whole square is how much? 3 3s are 9, minus into minus is plus, plus 16 16s are 256. So, this becomes root of 265. So, if I do the prime factorization for this 265, so 5 5s are 5 3s are. So, this becomes root of 5 into 53 and you see AB, BC, AC. If you add, you are not going to get the same thing, right? Isn't it or not? See here, suppose this, if you leave it here also, what will happen? This one, 2 2s are 4 into 53, right? 4 into 53. This one is how much? Root 5. So check here, AB plus BC. AB plus BC. What is it coming? Root 5. AB is root 5 plus BC is root of 4 into 53. But what is AC? That is root of 5 into 53. See, this can never be equal, right? This root into 4 into 53, this 5 into 53, this root 5. They are not equal. So, since they are not equal, they are not collinear. So, therefore, the given points are not collinear or not collinear. Understand? This is how we can do this problem. Let us move to the next problem. Check whether the given points are the vertices of an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means two sides of a triangle. If the two sides are equal, then it is said to be an isosceles triangle. A, B, C. What is A, B, C? Okay. If any two sides are equal, these two sides are equal, any two sides are equal, then we can say that the given points are isosceles. Let us solve the distances AB, BC and AC and see any two of the sides are equal or not. So proceed. So first what we will do, A, B. What is A? 5 comma minus 2. What is B? 6 comma 4. This is x1, y1, x2, y2. Understand? So the distance AB, what is the distance formula? Root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. X2, how much? 6 minus x1 is 5 whole square plus y2 is 4 minus y1 is minus 2. Okay, whole square. Okay. Now, see this minus of minus plus, right? 6 minus 5 is 1 square plus 4 plus 2 is 6 square. So, this is 1 square is 1 plus 6 6 are 36. So, this becomes AB is equals to root 37. Okay. Next, let me calculate BC. BC. So, let me write here like this. B, C, B is how much? 6 comma 4 and C is how much? 7 comma minus 2. Okay. This is x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay. Now, what is the distance? I am going to calculate is BC, right? So, BC, same formula, x2, what? 7 minus x1, 6 whole square plus y2 minus 2 minus y1, 4. Okay. So, see here 7 minus 6 is 1 square, minus 2 minus 4 is minus 6 whole square. Okay. 1 square is 1 plus minus 6 into minus 6 is minus into minus plus 6 6 are 36. So, this is how much? 1 plus 36 is root 37. So, see here we have got the same thing here and here. So, two sides are equal. So, this particular thing can become a isosceles triangle. Okay. What is the next thing? The next thing is AC. 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 What is A? 5 comma minus 2. What is C? 7 comma minus 2. X1, Y1, X2, Y2. So, A, see the distance is how much? X2 minus x1. X2 is 7 minus x1 is 5 whole square plus y2 is minus 2 and y1 minus 2, right? Y1. Okay. Now see here 7 minus 5 is 2 whole square plus minus of minus is plus. Minus 2 plus 2 becomes what? Cancel 0 square. So 2 2s are how much? 4. Root 4 is 2. See here, this is root 37 and 2. So the given 3 points will form a triangle, and also since two sides are equal, it forms an isosceles triangle. Therefore, the given points form an isosceles. Therefore, the given points form an isosceles triangle. Okay, and you see here, if you add these two, you are not getting 2 anyways, isn't it or not? If you add these two, you will not get that. So if you add these two, you will not get this. So it cannot be collinear. So since it's not collinear, it can be 3 points can form a triangle, and that too since two sides are equal, it forms an isosceles triangle. Next, see here, in a classroom, four friends are seated at the points A, B, C, D. Champa and Chemeli, two of them, they walk into the class, and after observing for few minutes, Champa asks Chameli. Champa is asking Chameli, don't you think ABCD is a square? Chameli disagrees. Champa is telling it is a square, but Chameli is disagreeing. No, it's not a square. She is telling it's not a square. Using the distance formula, find which of them is correct. So by using the distance formula, let us check which of them are correct. So for the first thing is to check the whether the 4 points they form square or not. What we have to do is we have to find the distances. So let us find the distances of AB, BC, CD and DA. So if all of them are equal, all sides are equal, it can be a square. And for square, one more condition also should satisfy, that is the diagonals should be equal. AC should also be equal to BD. So all these things we are going to see now. Now let us start with AB. AB. So what is A? Let us find the coordinates. Here. So point A is here. It is 3 in the x. 3. Y is how much? 4. 3 comma 4. B 6. X is 6. Y is 7. C, x is 9, y is 4. D, x is 6, y is 1. 6 comma 1. Now the distance AB, what we are going to do? We are going to write the distance. A is how much? 3 comma 4. B is how much? 6 comma 7. So AB, the distance AB, what is the formula? Distance formula x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole root of, right? So AB is equals to root of x2 minus x1. Let us name this x1 y1, x2 y2. x2 is 6 minus x1 is 3, right? Whole square plus y2 minus y1, 7 minus 4. 7 minus 4 whole square. 6 minus 3 how much? 3 square. The 7 minus 4 is 3 square. So 3 square plus 3 square. This is how much? 9 plus 9. So already we have seen this 9 plus 9 can be written as 9 into 2, right? 9 plus 9 is 18, right? 18 can be written as 9 into 2. So this can be written as what? Root of 9 can be written as root 9 into root 2, that is equals to 3 root 2. This is 3 root 2. Understand? So we will do one thing. We will write here like this because the space constraint will be there. See here, this can be written as root of 9 into 2, that is equals to root 9 into root 2, that is equals to 3 into root 2. So this is what AB, right? Next, let us calculate BC. BC. What are the points? B is 6 comma 7, 6 comma 7. C is 9 comma 4, 9 comma 4. X1, Y1, X2, Y2. Understand? So X1, Y1, X2, Y2. See here, BC is equals to root of x2 minus x1, 9 minus 6, 9 minus 6 whole square plus 4 minus 7, y2 minus y1 is 4 minus 7 whole square. 9 minus 6 is 3 square, 4 minus 7 is minus 3 whole square. So this is nothing but again root 9 plus 9. So root 9 plus 9 again how much? 3 root 2. No need to do again. Understand? Next, BC is finished. Next, what we are going to do? BC CD. AB, BC, CD. Let us find CD. C, D. What is the value of C? 9 comma 4. 9 comma 4. D. What is the value of D? 6 comma 1. 6 comma 1. X1, Y1, X2, Y2. So CD is equals to X2 minus X1, 6 minus 9. 6 minus 9 whole square plus Y2 minus Y1, 1 minus 4 whole square. So 6 minus 9 is minus 3 whole square plus 1 minus 4 is also again minus 3 whole square. So this is again root 9 plus 9. Minus 3 whole square is minus 3 into minus 3. How much? 9. So this is again root 9 plus 9 how much? 3 root 2. 3 root 2. Understand? This is how we can do them. Next, what is the next thing? DA. DA. So, what is the points? D 6 comma 1. A is how much? A is 3 comma 4. X1, Y1, X2, Y2. So, DA is equals to what? X2 minus X1 how much? X2 is 3 minus 6. 3 minus 6 whole square. Y2 is 4 minus Y1 is 1 whole square. This is again 3 minus 6 is minus 3 whole square plus 4 minus 1 is 3 square. So this is again root of 9 plus 9, that is equals to root 9 plus 9 is again 3 root 2. Understand? 3 root 2. 3 root 3 root 2. Understand? Now let us do the other one. See here, AB is how much? 3 root 2. AB is 3 root 2. This is 3 root 2. BC is also 3 root 2. CD is also 3 root 2. And DA is also again 3 root 2. All the sides are equal. All the sides equal means it need not be square. It can also be rhombus also, right? But for a square, what is the next property? It has to satisfy diagonals. AC should be equal to BD. Diagonals should be equal. Understand? So that's what we are going to see now. See, now let us check the diagonals. What is the diagonal? AC and BD, right? AC equal to, AC is how much? AC is root of, so let us give the points here as usual. A is how much, C is how much. So A, C. A is how much? 3 comma 4. C is how much? 9 comma 4. So AC, the distance AC is how much? Distance AC is equals to x2 minus x1, 9. See here, x1, y1, x2, y2. x2 is how much? 9 minus x1 is 3 whole square plus y2 4 minus y1 is also 4. So 4 minus 4 0. 9 minus 3 is 6. So root 36 equal to 6. Okay. Next what we are going to do is, next we are going to do the other diagonal. What is the other diagonal? BD, right? So BD, BD. What is B? 6 comma 7 and D is how much? 6 comma 1. So BD is equals to the distance formula. What is that? Root of x2 minus x1. So x1 y1 x2 y2. x2 minus x1, 6 minus 6 whole square plus y2 minus y1, 1 minus 7 whole square. So 6 minus 6 is 0, 1 minus 7 is minus 6 whole square. So minus 6 whole square is again 36, 6 into 6, 36. So root 36 is 6. See here, the diagonals are equal. AC and BD are equal. So since all the four sides are equal and also the diagonals are equal, so the given 4 points will form a square, will form a square. So Champa was right. Champa said these four students, they are sitting in the form of square. Understand? So who was right? Champa was correct. Since AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA, all four sides are equal, and also and AC equal to BD, the points, the given points form, the given points form what? The given points form a square. A given points form a square. The given points form a square. Okay. Next question. See here. Name the type of quadrilateral form, if any, by the following points and give reasons for your answer. So he has given some points here. Okay. So we need to find what kind of a quadrilateral it forms, if it suppose forms. Okay. Now see here. Let us name x, y, x, y, x, y, x, y. So what we are going to do is the distances. Suppose this as a, B, C, D. Now there are 4 points, right? So we are going to find the distances AB, BC, CD, DA, and also AC and BD diagonals, and we will check what kind of a quadrilateral it forms. If it suppose forms, okay. Now let us do the first thing, AB, the distance AB. So here AB means what I am going to do, x1, y1, x2, y2. So x2 minus x1, 1 minus minus 1 whole square plus y2 minus y1, 0 minus minus 2. Understand? Now see here. Now See here, minus of minus, it becomes plus. Okay, this also minus of minus becomes plus. 1 plus 1, 2 square plus 2 square. So this becomes 4 plus 4, right? 2 square is how much? 4. So this becomes 4 into 2, which is equals to root 4 into root 2 is equals to 2 root 2. 2 root 2. Next, let us calculate BC. Now, if I want to calculate BC, what I am going to do is, so I am going to take B as x1 y1, C as x2 y2. x2 minus x1, minus 1 minus x1 is 1 whole square plus y2 minus y1. y2 is 2 minus y1 is 0. So, minus 1 how much? Minus 2 whole square plus 2 minus 0 is also 2 whole square. So, this is 2 minus 2 whole square is 4 plus 2 square is 4. So, root 8 or the same thing, right? 4 into 2. This becomes how much? 2 root 2. Okay. Now, BC CD. Now, let us find CD. If I want to calculate CD, what I am going to do? C I will take as 1, D I will take as 2, CD, right? So, x2 minus x1, distance formula. x2 is minus 3 minus x1 is minus 1 whole square plus y2 minus y1. y2 is 0 minus 2 whole square. Okay. So, this becomes how much? This becomes minus of minus plus. So, minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2 whole square plus minus 2 whole square. So, minus 2 whole square is minus 2 into minus 2 is 4. Again minus 2 into minus 2 is 4. So, this is again same 2 root 2, right? Same thing. Next, dA. Let us calculate dA. To calculate dA, I will change the coordinates. D becomes 1, A becomes 2, right? x2 minus 1 minus x1 is minus 3 plus y2 minus 2 minus y1 is 0. So, this is what I will do. Minus of minus plus, minus 1 plus 3 again 2 whole square plus minus 2 minus 0 is minus 2 whole square. So, this becomes 4 plus 4, that is equals to again 2 root 2. See, AB, BC, CD, DA, all the four sides are equal. So, all the four sides are equal means one part, it can be a square or rhombus. Okay. Next thing, we have to find the diagonals AC. So, AC, if I want to calculate the diagonals, AC, A is 1, C is 2, x2 minus x1 minus 1 minus x1 minus 1 whole square plus y2 2 minus y1 minus 2 whole square. So, what will happen to this? Minus of minus, minus of minus. So, minus 1 plus 1 cancel, 2 plus 2 4 whole square, that is equals to root 16 is 4 units. So, next BD, let us calculate BD. Now, let us give the names as for B x1 y1 x2 y2. Now, you see here what is x2 minus 1 and what is x2 minus x1. x1 is 1 whole square plus y2 is 2 minus y1 is 0. Understand? So, here This becomes x2 minus x1 and y2 minus y1. This becomes minus 2 whole square plus 2 whole square, that is equals to 4 plus 4. Okay, this is what, okay, I did small mistake. I should have taken d as this one, right? So I have done here. What is the reason it's not coming? See here, x2 is minus 3 minus 1 whole square, y2 is 0 minus 0. So 0 minus 0 cancel, minus 3 minus 1 is minus 4 whole square. So that is how much? 16, root 16 equal to 4. Root 16 equal to 4. So you see here, the sides, all the four sides are equal here. Okay, the given four sides are AB, A4, AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA. All the four sides are equal, and also the diagonals are also equal, and diagonals AC equal to BD. Therefore the given points form a square, since all the sides are equal and the diagonals are also equal. Diagonals are equal, all sides are equal. Okay, these are the things. Next, let us see the next question. See here, let us take this as A, B, C, D, X, Y, X, Y, X, Y, X, Y. So again same thing. We have to check what kind of a quadrilateral it forms. So let us check A, B. If I want to calculate A, B, I will give x1, y1, x2, y2. So x2 is 3 minus 3 whole square plus y2 is 1 minus y1 is 5 whole square. Okay, so this becomes what? 3 plus 3 is 6 square plus 1 minus 5 is minus 4 whole square. 6 square is 36 plus 4 fours are 16. So this is how much? 46, 52. Root 52 can be written as what? 4 into 13. So that is equals to root 4 into root 13. That is equals to 2 root 13, because root 4 is 2 root 13. That is 2 root 13. Next, let us calculate B, C. So when this time I will take B as 1, C as 2. So x2 minus x1, 0 minus 3 whole square plus y2, 3 minus 1 whole square. That is equals to minus 3 is 0 minus 3 is minus 3, 3 minus 1 is 2 whole square. So this is 3 3s are 9 plus 2 2s are 4, that is root 13. Understand? Next, CD. Now, if I want to calculate CD, what I will do? I will take C as 1, D as 2. X2 minus x1, minus 1 minus x1 is 0 whole square plus y2 minus 4 minus y1 is 3. Understand? So minus 1 minus 0 is minus 1 whole square, minus 4 minus 3 is minus 7 whole square. So this is 1 minus 1 square is 1 minus 7 square is 49. So root 50. Okay. Next dA. Let us see the value of dA. So again change this. D is 1 comma. This is 2. X2 is minus 3 minus x1 is minus 1 whole square plus y2 is 5 minus y1 is minus 4. So let us see this minus of minus plus minus of minus plus minus 3 plus 1 how much? Minus 2 whole square plus 5 plus 4 is 9 whole square. So minus 2 square is 4, 9 nines are 81. So this is how much? Root 85. Root 85. So it becomes 17 5 is 85. So both of them will be same prime. So 5 into 17, 5 17 is 85. So nothing can be done with that. So let us take the next diagonal AC. So if I take AC, AC. So x2 minus x1, 0 minus minus 3 whole square plus y2, 3 minus y1. So let us see this minus of minus plus. So this 0 plus 3 is 3 whole square plus 3 minus 5 is minus 2 whole square. So this becomes 3 square is 9 plus minus 2 square is 4. So this is equal to root 13. Okay. Next, let us calculate BD. Finally, this is the final thing we will calculate. BD. So x2 minus 1 minus x1 3 whole square plus y2 minus 4 minus y1 1 whole square. Understood? See here, minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4 whole square plus minus 4 minus 1 is minus 5 whole square. So 4 4s are 16 plus 5 5s are 25. This is how much? Root 41. Now what we are going to do is, let us observe small thing here. See here, what we will do is, here you see root 13, root 13, root 2 root 13. So here AB is equals to, how it is? BC plus AC. See, BC is how much? BC is root 13 and AC is also root 13. So root 13 plus root 13 is how much? 2 root 13. What is that? AB. So the points A, B, C. See here, A, B, and this is C. AC plus BC, root 13 plus root 13 is equals to what? 2 root 13. So what does it mean? It means this is collinear. These 3 points are collinear. If 3 points are collinear, then it cannot form a quadrilateral. Understand? 3 points. Out of 4 points, 1 point is outside and the 3 points are here. So it can never form a quadrilateral because this is one side itself. These 2 sides are no more 2. They are a single straight line. So it cannot form 2 sides. So others they can form 2. Maybe it is a triangle. It is not a quadrilateral. Hope you understood. Next problem. See here, let us give names to this. A, B, C, D. Same question again. You are going to find what kind of a quadrilateral it forms. So x, y, x, y, x, y, x, y. We are going to find the distances as before. Okay. Now, first thing what we are going to do is A, B. When we find A, B, what I give? X1, Y1, X2, Y2. X2 minus X1, 7 minus 4 whole square plus Y2, 6 minus Y1 is 5. Right? So, 7 minus 4 is 3 square plus 6 minus 5 is 1 square. So, this is 9 plus 1 equal to root 10. Okay. Next, BC. Now, when I take BC, x1, y1, x2, y2. x2 is 4 minus x1 is 7 whole square plus y2 is 3 minus y1 is 6 whole square. Okay. 4 minus 7 is minus 3 whole square plus 3 minus 6 is minus 3 whole square. So, minus 3 whole square is 9 plus minus 3 whole square is 9. So, this becomes what? Root 9 into 2. Okay. 9 plus 9 is 18, right? 9 into 2 is 18. So, root 9 root 2. So, root 9 is 3 root 2. Okay, 3 root 2. Next, CD. Let us calculate CD. C is 1, D is this. X2 minus X1. 1 minus 4 whole square plus Y2. 2 minus Y1. 3. So, 1 minus 4 is minus 3 whole square plus 2 minus 3 is minus 1 whole square. Minus 3 square is 9 plus minus 1 square is 1. So, this becomes root 10. Next, dA. What is dA? So, dA, when I calculate dA, let us change this. So, D is 1, A is 2. X2 is 4 minus X1, 1 whole square. Y2 is 5 minus Y1 is 2. So, 4 minus 1 is 3 square plus 5 minus 2 is also again 5 minus 2 is 3 square. So, 3 3s are 9 plus 9. So, that is equals to 9 into 2. So, that is equals to 3 root 2. Okay. Next, what are we going to do? The diagonals A, C. So, A is 1, C is 2. So, x2 is 4 minus x1 is 4 whole square plus y2 3 minus y1 5. y1 4 minus 4 0, 3 minus 5 is minus 2 whole square. That is equals to minus 2 whole square is 4, that is equals to 2. Next, BD, the diagonal BD. So, let us give the names here. B, D. X2 is 1 minus X1 is 7 whole square plus Y2 is 2 minus Y1 is 6. So, 1 minus 7 is minus 6 whole square plus 2 minus 6 is minus 4 whole square. Okay, minus 6 whole square is minus 6 into minus 6, 36 plus minus 4 into minus 4, 16. So, that is 40, 52. 30, 40, 52. Root 52. So, 13 fours are right. 4 into 13. So that is equals to root 4 root 13 equal to 2 root 13, whatever it is. See here, now we will see AB is how much? Root 10. And root 10 here also. What is that? CD. So these two are equal. These two are equal. AB is equals to AB equal to CD. AB equal to CD. Next, check this. BC and DA. Both are equal, right? BC equal to DA. DA. Okay, and diagonals are unequal. This is opposite sides, right? In a quadrilateral, A, B, C, D, AB, CD equal, AB equal to CD, this is equal, BC equal to DA, this is equal, but the diagonals are unequal. One is 2 root 13, one is 2, the other is 2 root 13. Diagonals are unequal. So opposite sides are equal, means it is a parallelogram. Okay, so it forms a parallelogram because the diagonals are unequal. Opposite opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal, and diagonals AC not equal to BD. Diagonals are not equal. Diagonals are not equal. Understand? So this forms a parallelogram. This forms a parallelogram. Therefore, the given points form what? Given points form parallelogram. Understood? This is regarding this question number 6, and in that third question. Next, see here, find the point on the x-axis which is equidistant from. So what he is trying to tell is there is a point on x-axis. So this is x, this is y. This is x axis, this is y axis. This is negative y, this is negative x. Okay. So what he is trying to tell, find the point on the x axis. There is some point on x axis. There is somewhere some point on x axis which is equidistant from these 2 points. These 2 points, 2 comma minus 5. One is 2 comma minus 5. 1 point. 2 comma minus 5. The other point is minus 2 comma 9. Minus 2 comma 9. So this point is equidistant from, so this distance and this distance he is trying to tell. Okay, he is trying to tell that these 2 points are located in such a distance that the distances, this distance and this distance, it is equal. This distance, it is equal. He is trying to tell that. So suppose give this name A, this B, and some point is on x axis, right? Suppose this point as P. Okay, now this as B, this as A. Now you see here on x axis, what is that? Y coordinate is 0. So x comma 0. We can say that on x axis y is 0, only will be the value for x comma 0, x comma 0. So now let us calculate this one, the distances, because what is the condition given? Equidistance, right? PB equal to PA or AP equal to BP. AP distance is equals to BP, the distances. Okay, if you square on both sides, AP square equal to bp square, because this is suppose some distance. If you square this distance, what will happen to this? You square this, it becomes only x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, if you square, because this is distance, this is distance. Distance formula we will have commonly square root. If you square on both sides, we can remove that one. But first we will see the general kind, and then we will go to the, see here AP and BP, right? So A x comma y1 P. Where is P? P is x comma 0, right? P is x comma 0. What is the P value? AP, right? X2, Y2. For BP also, this is x1, y1, this is x2, y2, right? Now first take AP. So for AP, root of x2 is how much? X minus x1 is 2 whole square plus y2 is 0 minus y1 is minus 5 whole square. So that is equals to BP. Now let us take this one and this one, this two. So BP means x2 is x minus x1 is minus 2 whole square plus y2 is 0 minus y1 is 9 whole square. So we can, what we can do, squaring on both sides and expanding, squaring on both sides. What will happen if you square on both sides? Here itself I will do, see, whole square if I do, this cancels, this only this inside thing we can squaring on both sides and expand. Okay, so this is a minus b whole square, right? A minus b whole square. What is the formula for a minus b? A minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square, right? So here this becomes minus of minus plus 2. Okay, so first I will write x minus 2 whole square. This becomes plus 5 square is equals to x plus 2 whole square plus minus 9 whole square. 0 minus 9 is minus 9. Okay. So here a minus b, here a plus b. A plus b formula what? A square plus 2ab plus b square. Understand? Now a square means a is this is b. A square x square plus b square 2 square minus 2ab, right? 2 into a is x into b is 2 plus 5 square is equals to a plus b again, a plus b, right? A square x square plus b square 2 square plus 2 into a x into b 2ab plus 9 minus 9 into minus 9, right? So minus 9 whole square, we will put like that. So x square, see here on either side x square cancel, because is equals to one side same values. If you have on either side, you can cancel 2 square, because x square here plus, if it comes this side it becomes minus x square. Here x square, this one when it comes here minus x square minus x square cancel. So no need to do that, we can minimize. Okay, so this 2 2s are minus 4x plus 5 5s are 25 is equals to 2 2s are 4x plus 81. Understand? So let us send this minus 4x to this side and 81 to this side. What will happen? 25 plus 81 becomes minus 81, and this 4x already here, and this minus 4x goes that side, becomes plus 4x. So this implies 4x plus 4x 8x is equals to 25 and minus 81, right? Write the bigger value on the top. This is plus, one is plus, one is minus. What we will do, two different signs means subtraction. 81 minus 25 is how much? 80 minus 25, how much? 60, 55 and 56. See here, 11 minus 5, 6, 7 minus 2, 5. So bigger number is 81 and its sign is negative. So minus 56. This becomes minus 56. X is equals to 8 to the other side we send. So x equal to minus 7. So now see here. Now see here. What is the value of x? Minus 7 comma 0. P value. What is the point? The point is minus, P point is how much? Minus 7 comma 0. This is the point where we get. So I have taken it on the wrong side. It is where minus 7 comma 0. So this distance, okay, not this distance. Okay, not this distance. This distance. Okay, this is regarding the other one. Next, see here, find the values of y for which the distance between the points is 10 units. So this is quite simple. See here, 2 points are given and the distance is given. So let us suppose this one x1, y1, x2, y2. So this PQ, the distance PQ is given as how much? 10. So the distance formula for PQ is how much? X2 minus x1 is 10 minus 2 whole square plus y2 is y minus 3 whole square equal to 10. Understand? Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. What will happen? See this minus of minus plus. 10 minus 2 is 8 square plus y plus 3 whole square. Okay. Whole square equal to 10 square. So this cancel. So 8 square is 64 plus this is again a plus b formula. What is the a plus b formula? A square plus b square plus 2 into a into b is equals to 10 square. Okay. So 64 plus y square plus 3 3s are 9 plus 2 3s are 6, y is equals to 10 10s are 100. So bring this to the other side. 64 plus 9 is 73. So y square plus 6y plus 73 is minus 100 is equals to 0. Y square plus 6y minus 27 equal to 0. Now let us solve this quadratic equation. What is given? Y square plus 6y minus 27 equal to 0. Here minus 27, right? Minus 27, here 1. Minus 27 into 1 is minus 27. Here minus means we have to subtract, means we have to take two different signs for solving the quadratic equation. Two different signs we will take. So one is plus, one is minus. So let us see, two numbers I have to choose such that if I subtract them I have to get 6, right? 1 into 27, 27 minus 1, 26. No. 3 nines are, yes, 3, 9. 9 minus 3 is 6. So bigger number here plus 6, right? So I have to take bigger number as plus 9, smaller number as minus 3. So y square plus 9x minus 3x minus 27 equal to 0. So y into y plus 3 into 3 into x minus 3 into x minus 3 into 3 into 3, okay, equal to 0. So here, sorry, y, here y, okay. So here y, common. What is left? Y plus 3 3s are 9. So same thing, y plus 9 I will write here, y plus 9 is equals to 0. So y is here, 3 3 is a 9 is here. What is left? 3, 3, and here minus, here plus. Sign is changing. When the sign is changing, what we have to do? We have to put minus. So y plus 9 and common y plus 9, and what is left? Y minus 3 equal to 0. So y plus 9 equal to 0, y equal to minus 9, y minus 3 equal to 0, y equal to. So this is how we can do the problems. Understand? So the coordinate for y can be minus 9 or 3, anything it can be, y can be minus 9 or 3. In either of the cases we will get same distance, 10 units. So if q is equidistant from p and r, find the values of x, also find the distance qr and pr. See, there is a point q which is equidistance from p and r. What is the value of p? 5 comma minus 3, and r is x comma 6, and q is 0 comma 1. So what he is trying to tell? This is equidistance, right? Okay, q is equidistance from p, q is equidistance from r. So pq equal to qr or qp equal to qr. That's what he is trying to tell. Qp equal to qr. So q is x1, y1, p is x2, y2, here 1, the other case x2, y2 is r. Now let us do the distance formula here. Okay. Now x2 minus x1 for the first one, qp for the first one, x2 minus x1, 5 minus 0, 5 minus 0 whole square plus y2 minus y1 minus 3 minus 1 whole square is equals to qr x2 minus x1, x minus 0, x minus 0 whole square plus y2 6 minus 1, 6 minus 1 whole square. Okay, now see squaring on both sides, squaring on both sides. So what will happen by square on both sides? This square root will cancel, right? So I have to square it on both sides. So if I square, what will happen? This gets cancelled, this gets cancelled. So after squaring, what will happen? 5 minus 0 is 5 square. Okay. Minus 3 minus 1 is minus 4 whole square is equals to x minus 0 is x square plus 6 minus 1 is 5 square. So 5 square is 25 plus 4 square is minus 4 is 16 equal to x square plus 5 5 is a 25. So this 25 cancels, that implies x square equal to 16. So taking square root on both sides, taking square root on both sides. So root of x square equal to root of 16. So when we do this, we will do plus or minus. So x is equals to plus or minus 4. X equal to plus or minus 4. Now after finding the x value, what he is asking? He is asking to find the distances QR and QP. QR and QP. So QR, let us find QR. What is the value of R? This one. Okay. And what is the value of P? Okay. Now see Q. What is the value of Q? 0 comma 1. And R value, just now we have found, right? X, how much? Plus or minus 4. So I will put here plus or minus 4 comma 6. Okay, this is x1, y1, x2, y2. Now QR is how much? x2 minus x1 how much? x2 is plus or minus 4 minus x1 is 0 plus y2 is 6 minus 1 whole square. So, plus or minus 4, no. What we can do? Plus or minus 4 whole square plus 6 minus 1 is 5 square. So, this is plus or minus 4. Plus 4 square is also 16. Minus 4 whole square is also 16. So, this is 16 plus 5 5 is 25. This becomes how much? Root 41. This is quite easy. QR. The other one is, see here, PR. What is the value of PR? So, P is how much? 5 comma minus 3 and R is same, plus or minus 4 comma 6, x1 y1 x2 y2. So, PR, the distance PR is equals to root of x2 is how much? Plus or minus 4 minus x1 is 5 whole square, okay, plus y2 is 6 minus y1 is minus 3. Okay, so this becomes what? Minus of minus plus. Okay, now here plus or minus 4 we will use now two cases. See here. So what we will do is first time plus 4 minus 5 whole square. Okay, 6 plus 3 how much? 9 square. Or the other case minus 4 minus 5 whole square. This is 6 plus 3 is 9 square. This nothing will happen to this, only this will change. 4 minus 5 minus 1 whole square plus 9 square is equal, or this becomes minus 9 whole square plus 9 square. Okay, see here plus one time I am taking, minus I am taking one time. Okay, minus 1 whole square is 1, 9 9s are 81, or minus 9 square is 81 and 9 square is also 81. So, 1 root 1 plus 81 is 82, or root 81 plus 81 is root 162, or we can write this also as 9 root 2. Understand? So, these are the distances. So, PR value it has 2, okay, root 82 or 9 root 2, but QR it is root 41. So, let us see the next question. Find a relation between x and y such that the point x comma y is equidistant from the point 3 comma 6 and minus 3 comma 4. Okay. Now see here, dear students, find a relation between x and y such that the point is equidistant. So there is a point, suppose that point P equidistant from 2 points A, B. This is x comma y. This is 3 comma 6 and this is minus 3 comma 4. x1 y1, this is take x2 y2, this is x2 y2. Are you understanding why I am taking these two same? Because I have to find the distance, right, from this point PA PB. PA distance PA, okay, and PB are equidistance, right? Okay, so we are taking like this. So distance is root of, right? If I square on both sides, this square root will be gone. So directly I can write the values x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, now here PA means this 3 minus x, 3 minus x whole square plus y2 is 6 minus y, 6 minus y whole square, that is equals to PB. Okay, x2 is minus 3 minus x1 is x plus y2 is 4 minus y1 is y. Okay, 3 minus x, a minus b whole square formula. What is the formula? A minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, see here 3 square plus x square minus 2 into 3 into x plus for this again 6 square plus y square minus 2 into 6 into y. Understand? So everything gone. Okay, no problem. Let us see here again. I will write C point P x comma y. This is x1 y1. A is how much? 3 comma 6. This is x2 y2, and B is again how much? Minus 3 comma 4 x2 y2. So PA equal to PB, right? PA equal to PB. So PA, what is the value of PA? Root of x2 minus x1, 3 minus 6 whole square plus 6 minus y, 3 minus x, right? 3 minus x whole square plus 6 minus y, 6 minus y whole square is equals to PB minus 3 minus x whole square plus 4 minus y, 4 minus y whole square. Okay. So if I squaring on both sides, if I do, what will happen? Okay, this gets cancelled, right? If I square on both sides, this gets cancelled. Okay, now 3 minus x, 6 minus y. Okay, a square, a minus b whole square formula. What is that? A minus b whole square equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Understand? So 3 square plus x square minus 2 into 3 into x plus this. Here a square is 6 square plus b square is y square minus 2 into 6 into y is equals to, for this, okay, minus a minus b, right? Okay, minus 3 whole square plus minus x whole square plus 2 into minus 3 into minus x. Okay, here 4 minus y, right? A minus b whole square. A is how much? 4 square plus y square minus 2 into 4 into y. Understand? So here you see 9 plus x square minus 2 3 is 6x plus 6 square plus y square minus 2 6 are 12y is equals to 3 3 are 9 plus x square. Here I can write 36, right? 6 square is 36. 2 3s are minus, plus into minus minus, sorry, minus into minus plus, 2 3s are 6x, 4 4s are 16 plus y square minus 2 4s are 8 into y, 8y. So 9 on this side and this side, x square, y square cancel, right? Now what is left? We will check. So minus 6 will take to the other side. Here 6x already. What is left? Plus 16 minus 8y. Here minus 6x will go to the other side, plus 6x. Okay. Plus 36 will go to the other side, minus 36. Minus 12y becomes plus 12y. Everything I have taken to the other side, this becomes 0. Okay. 6x plus 6x becomes how much? 12x. Okay, 6 plus 6, 12, minus 8 plus 12, minus 8y plus 12y, both opposite sign, right? So subtract, becomes plus 4y, 16 minus 36, 16 minus 36 becomes minus 20 equal to 0. So everything we can divide it with 4, that implies 12x by 4 plus 4y by 4, 4y by 4 minus 20 by 4 equal to 0 by 4. 4 1s are 4 5s are 4, 4 cancelled, 4 1s are 4, 3s are 3x plus y minus 5 equal to 0. So this is what is asked, a relation between x and y when the points are point x comma y is equidistant from these 2 points. It's given means we have to do this way. I hope you understood. Thank you for the listening patiently. Thank you so much.